Here we go, BK Dogs. Skip pass. Uh-oh, no. We are out here tomorrow, 10 o'clock tomorrow. Come out, support the kids. Big Kizo, he like to play physical. We got a foul. Shot is up, shot is no good. Here we go. 12 minutes, 43 seconds. Point guard, back over this man. Sidestep it. Oh no. Kizo. Jump shot. Not yet.
Run!
These guys are undefeated. They are undefeated for a reason. Look at that pass. Oh. Here we go. 12 minutes, 5 seconds remaining. Here they come. BK. Oh, good spin. What you gonna do? Shot. No. Kizo inside to his man. Layup. No, you gotta make that layup again. No, we got a foul. Foul. Team foul number 2.
And we was in the
shot is up.
we was in the
Shot is no good.
Because he would have told Mari, slap the shit out that little nigga.
Go. Kill him.
Oh. Oh, look at this guy. He's one of the best point guards out here, I gotta say. He is definitely one of the best point guards out here.
What?
Jump shot no good.
That's a fact.
You got a foul.
Oh, him where?
The juniors are 12 the best on the team.
Layup is good. 10:40. Come on, next one. We missed it. This guy's good. He just came off an injury too. He's pretty good. Jump shot. Stop leaving him open. No, big fella. Oh, we got a foul. No good. Substitution. Uh-oh. Shot is up. Shot is good. Inside Kizo, what are you gonna do?
Yes, Jameer. Yes, Jameer.
Turnover.
Somebody go to him.
Go, get across. Go, stop. There you go.
Good pass.
You gotta be ready for that, Sam.
9 minutes, 27 seconds, 9:27. This guy can play. Oh, where's he going? We got a foul. Substitution.
Playing in phases. You know his feet.
Both teams is well coached. I see that. These guys are well coached. 9 minutes, 17 seconds. 9:17. Shot is up. Shot is no good.
Got together, y'all too close.
I'm telling you, Mo.
Mike, come to the sideline. Cut, Mike, cut, Mike.
Back
Cut
up
down,
top. What
cut,
you gonna
Mike.
do? Look at the point guard. Oh, inside. This guy. Oh, we got a foul.
No, at all.
I guess I heard him slap the ball.
That was a
It
wall.
sound like
That's what it was. It was right.
8 minutes, 58 seconds remaining in the first half. Shot is up. Shot is no good.
take your time. Oh, do they suck with me?
They definitely do.
Here we go. Kizo, he likes to play physical. Kizo from downtown. Not yet. Not yet.
The boo-boo. He came out with the boo-boo. Look.
Yes. Good job, Mike.
7 points total. Great. Thanks.
Nice.
That is good. 2-quarter.
Move.
Layup. Oh, you gotta make that. You gotta make that. Here they come. Here they come. Here come the undefeated Wolves. Check out this guy. Look at that. Drops it off. The layup. This kid can play. Number 4 can play. He's a baller. 9-2 in favor of undefeated Wolves. These guys are undefeated. Here we go. All the way to the basket. Layup. No. We got
Chuba, about to kill him. But he keeps looking at us though. Like, he keeps looking back.
Substitution.
You gonna kill him.
I see you, Juju.
Violation.
Oh.
Sammy jump.
Easy, Tim.
Shot is up. Shot is no good. Here come the Wolves. Here come the Wolves. Check out Shorty. He can play. Side stepping. We got a foul.
Nice.
Substitution.
I see you was working on that last night.
He was in the park shooting free throws.
You got some VCs last night.
Shot is good. Get it over. You got to get it over. Uh-oh, they like to press. Uh-oh. Here we go. Back to out. Look at Shorty. Look at this guy. Layup. Oh, my goodness. This guy's pretty good. He's looking like Iverson out there. A young AI out there. That's not gonna work. Uh-oh. Where he going? Way up. No. Rebound, phenomenal Wolves. Uh-oh, they got numbers. This is your chance to catch up. We're coming up on 6 minutes. We are coming up on 6 minutes remaining in the first half. Back over phenomenal Wolves. He thought about it. Driving the lane off the backboard. No, big fella. What you got? Big fella. Save the lane. Look at that. Got caught by the team in orange. These guys are undefeated. No one has yet to beat them. Back over to the corner. These guys play together. They play together. Look at the motion. Look at the motion. Inside back over this guy. Driving the baseline inside this fella. Look at these guys moving the ball. They are moving the ball. Definitely moving the ball. Jump shot. No.
Don't let him out.
He's stuck.
you gotta
gotta
beat
get
it, Sam.
over, Kizo. You gotta get it over. Over to the middle. Uh-oh, he's been quiet. This guy can score.
Where?
He can score. He been quiet. No. Rebound.
Let's
The
go,
Wolves.
Karate chopper.
This guy been quiet. Okay, we got shot is up. Shot is no
Ball
good.
lie.
That's
Ball never
16
lie.
fouls on Orange. 4 minutes, 35 seconds. 4:35 remaining in the first half.
Mike, get ready, Mike.
BK Dogs, you down, but you are not out.
Oh.
Second shot is good. We are coming up on 4 minutes, 33 seconds. Back over. Look how these guys move the ball. This is what you call well coached. Well coached. Jump shot. No. Rebound.
Nah, knock him down.
Back up
Knock
top.
out Nas?
Uh-oh.
Knock out shoot that ball, man.
Everybody touches the ball. This is what I like about this team. Everybody touches the ball. This is how you coach.
Go high, go pop, go.
We are
Go
coming
high,
up
go
on
high, go high, Sam, go high,
3:57 into the
Sam.
quarter.
Sam, go high, Sam. High post,
They
Sam,
are
high
moving
post.
this rock. This how you move the ball, guys. Inside, big fella. Big fella. Oh, they got stolen. Back over. Where they going? Layup. No. Rebound. Good job. Ref.
There's shot clock here?
He just made a shot.
That's all. Foul.
Yo, he's wild.
Here we go. Phenomenal Wolves. These guys are well coached. Everybody touches the ball. Everybody touches the ball. Look at this. Back over to the corner. Everybody can take a page out of these books.
That's too much speed.
2:49. Into the corner. Layup is good. These guys are well.
So what is it? Is it 24 seconds or 35
What
seconds?
this is?
I never heard of a shot clock in middle school basketball.
No shot.
How you
Jump shot.
making a shot?
No.
No, they call it again. 10, 9.
Yes, Sam. Oh, I said
2:15.
Go, Nas, work, Nas.
Find the best shot.
The
Layup.
pass.
Oh, you gotta make that big
That
fella.
one,
Big fella.
Sam got the pitch.
Jab step, jump shot. No.
yes, no.
Good hustle, Nas, good hustle. Y'all not right, y'all not right.
140.
Oh, you gotta take that. Good job, Nas. This is our 4th game, we didn't know.
We start clocking it on the regular time.
You made it.
He'll break everything down in half time.
He don't even know he can do shots.
He's not a basketball player.
Kizo, second shot, no. 1 minute, 30 seconds remaining in the half.
Go, Mike,
We
go,
have a
Mike. Back to
score
other
of
side, Mike. Other side,
17
Mike.
to
Other
4. Undefeated team. This is how you move the ball. Oh my goodness. This is Frank Frank. 1 minute, 5 seconds remaining. Jump shot, no. Rebound, Kizo. They need you, Kizo. They need you. 59 seconds. What you gonna do? You down, but you're not out. BK Dog, you down, but you are certainly not out.
Sleeping. He had
43 seconds remaining.
a 10.
These guys are undefeated. It's the reason why these guys are undefeated. Everybody touches the ball. This is what you call sharing the wealth. Jump shot, no. Look at the Wolves, no. Here they come, Kizo with the rebound. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Kizo split the defense. No. Here they come. They got numbers. Here come the Wolves. Layup. We got a foul.
You and Deshaun fighting after the game.
And I'm involved.
It's on purpose. Yeah.
He said, I don't want no
That is
smoke.
good. 21 seconds. 21 seconds remaining in the first half. 21 seconds. We have a score 19
He
to
said, I
4.
don't want no smoke.
Kids are nuts.
Shot please. Volley,
walked.
19 seconds.
Yes,
We gotta jump on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
You gotta make
3,
that.
2, 1. If it goes. Halftime.
Yeah.
Bro?
Same way.
Oh, his finger hurt.
Oh, these guys playing D.
Now, what was that movie? White Man Can't Jump. I'm gonna get my gun and shoot everybody here. Good pass. Come on, gotta sneak the pass.
Kizo, you have 4 personal fouls. Do not foul out. Layup, no.
They're not gonna foul him out.
Layup, oh.
What was that?
That's a foul.
You call a foul?
That's a foul?
I need to see something.
The ball don't lie, Jameer.
Here we go. That's a good pass, shorty. Oh,
See, I told you they're not gonna foul him out. I told you.
this guy can play. Look at him. Look at him.
You got one
Layup. Oh, no. He can jump.
Yes.
That's how people get
Here we go. Oh,
It's whatever they put in their water out.
Good job.
Yeah, son.
You need retwist.
Good, Steph.
That's a foul. Y'all calling that weak foul over here. That's a foul.
They're not gonna foul him out.
That's crazy.
here we go.
Yeah, Mark.
If you're not gonna call it, don't call it. Don't call nothing soft down here. Oh, bye-bye.
12:30. We got a foul.
He just got
I'll bring the Wallaces out. And one.
nice.
The shot is good.
Because we're playing.
Kizo, they need you. Skip pass.
Steph, you up, Steph?
Jump shot is good.
Steph. Oh, bye-bye. Excuse me, that's a foul. Good pass. Layup and one. That's a foul. He fouled him. Oh, my God. That's like the free throw, the air
11
ball.
minutes, 20 seconds. Where you going? That's your own man. Where are you going? Inside Kizo. There he go. All he needed was one. All he needed was one.
That's not all day. He's been trying that all day.
11 minutes, 5 seconds remaining. Good pass. Layup. These guys are balling. They balling.
I don't hit nothing. I don't hit nothing.
Drive at the lane. Oh, 10-40. Kizo, they need you. Look at Kizo back outside. He's wide open. Jump shot, no. Rebound. The dogs.
Yes, Edwin. Go.
Y'all in the corner.
Yes.
Look up. Look up.
Kizo. Oh, we got a foul.
I'm not saying you're not.
Substitution.
I'm not saying you're not. I'm just saying. All right, I hear you. 45 years? I'm 40. I'm 49. I've been playing ball a little longer. I'm 49. You see what we breeding out here?
This guy's poised. What you gonna do? Show me something. Little Kyrie Irving. He got a lot of boogie in his game. Watch out. Look at him. Uh-oh. I told you. Layup. No, we got a foul. I tell you, that kid can play. He can play.
Yo. Hey, get up again. Yo, Amen.
Stop. Move your hand right now.
Yo, Amen, stop flirting.
Nice. Yes.
Good thing.
Substitution.
Oh, he laid you, Aiden.
Come on, Lucas. Grab the
Ball.
ball.
Give it to
Oh,
Yes.
Here we go. These guys can play. Look at the pass. Oh, man, that's a good pass, shorty. Layup. We got a foul.
Yeet.
Take it
Shot
down.
is no.
don't sit there, man. Something. Next time I can't grab you up.
Defense my man, defense my man, defense my man.
What's it for? You're looking like the phenomenal Wolves can't hit free throws. Oh, you're
8 minutes, 23 seconds.
Again.
He is stuck. He's
Well,
stuck.
1,000.
Uh-oh. Show me something, Shorty.
Play her.
Look at the pass. These guys is balls. Uh-oh. Big fella.
Gotta make that.
Step up, step up, step up.
Mari, give it to Aiden.
Foul. Excuse me, as I kiss the sky. Excuse me.
Jason, I found my ball.
Okay, Aiden.
Right to it, Aiden. And one.
We got a foul. We got a foul.
Amir, I miss everything because
He's
you
like, yo, I need a blue. Mari said, yo, bro, they need blue. He walked to the line and then all her foul blue. Nah, he's aura farming. He took his jersey off.
Okay, Aiden.
with the tech, we get the ball.
He got free throw.
But we get the ball after we're supposed to shoot the free throws. We're supposed to shoot the free throws first, then shoot the tech because we get the ball.
But yeah, how is that live?
Ready again.
That is good. 5:33. Uh-oh, you left something. Layup. No.
Well, he shot that up to the moon.
Uh-oh. He...
How is that? Yo,
Oh, good crossover. Where you going? Another good crossover. Left hand left, no.
not that left. Yes, Aiden, don't pass the ball. Mari, get out of his way. Get out of his way. Take it out down.
Dang, look.
Jump shot. No.
Aiden, get it back. Give it to Aiden.
Here we go.
Amari don't discriminate.
I dunked on the green teams.
Take your time.
Substitution.
Jason,
We got the shooter.
I dunked
On the green team, nice.
Friday night basketball. PS
Stack me up your hands all sloppy.
2025.
Yeah.
We is back after a
You missed him?
12-year absence. 4 minutes. We coming up on 4 minutes.
And then he felt his ass out.
Uh-oh, he left something. Somebody got to shoot. We got a foul.
Say he got it.
Give it away, Aiden.
Oh, between the legs.
I thought you were
Okay, I
about to shoot that.
see you.
Give it to Aiden. Luke is trying.
Yes, Mike.
Oh, I didn't change the score for us.
The score's not right. The score's not right.
Oh, what is she?
Yes, Aiden.
I thought he was about
I
to
shot that for you.
Oh, he's nice.
That was pro.
That was pro?
Tiffany better be in there.
Where?
Damn it, Aiden. Take your time.
It's your free throws.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Where did he come from?
It's a violation, Nathan. That should have been a line violation, bro.
Skip pass. What we gonna do? Look at the layup. No. 1 minute 50 seconds.
Correct.
Aiden, don't get dropped.
You gotta take him to the rack.
Oh, he's playing again.
He's phoning him. He wouldn't have got back in the
I did not let him in the game either.
127. 127.
Once you take it back home.
Nice round of applause for both teams. That court provides me 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
Yes, it was Amari, because you tried to say it was my fault. I thought you thought shoot that. Shoot it, Drew. Go.
They're running the play.